Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView chart frozen, stuck and not opening in application and browsing fix. So here is how you can easily do it. Step 1 is you can simple refresh chart or reload the platform. Temporary UI freeze the common and the chart setup. So in that case you can simple close the chart completely on the application or browser. Wait, go to watch list or other panel or you can close the app. And then after you can simple again open the app completely. And then wait on the app to completely load on the home screen, and after 1 minute go to the chart section. Step 2 is to check internet stability. Chart would not load without an unstable data feed. So switch to a Wi-Fi or mobile data if you have any. You can tap the mobile network or you can disable the Wi-Fi or you can switch the Wi-Fi network. The step 3 is to reduce indicators and layout feed, because once there are many kind of indicators or other things will be load on your chart, then the chart may take time to load. In that case, you can simple disable any kind of load on the chart, like disable the all indicators or anything. The next step is you can simple clear the cache memory and app data. So corrupted data can block the chart loading. In that case, on the browser, you can simple clear the cache memory by simple going to app data section and application, close the app, then go to app information by long pressing on the application. Wait, then go to app info. Now go to storage and now simple click on clear the cache memory. And the last step is you can simple update or reinstall the application. And same as on the browser, update, sorry, close and reopen the TradingView or the browser. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.